Good morning, America, it's me, T. An alien to your world like E.T. I'm what you made me, crazy and wild. You can hate me, but I'm your baby, your child. I'm nothing but a product of your waste. From you shoving all your products in my face, feeling out of place. I know they can make us disappear into thin air without a trace. I know all the capabilities, making up lies to destroy your credibility. They can get rid of me, shit. They're the ones that are managing the files. In the blink of an eye, they could have you on trial. But for those of you who know it's just a setup, fight for your natural rights and never let up. I know you're fed up, it's time to get up. Be a savior, cause they ain't gonna save ya. Even in darkness, light dawns upon the righteous man. Take a righteous stand. The greatest threat to the establishment is peace, so it's time for us to finally start establishing peace. They say if you can't beat them, then join them. We say fuck that, if anything destroy them. We're not doing what we do to annoy them. If anything, we're on the low trying to avoid them. All we ask is stay out of our business, stay off of my shit list, as God is my witness. Even though the ones rarely watching us are mutants, floating around space while we're down here shooting. Zooming in with satellites, laughing at the young, smoking on some cancer, blackening our lungs. They made it so you had to get a gun. The end isn't near, it is here. In fact, it has begun. We're running out of time, but where are the ways of the world? And I'm never fucking running out of rhymes. No one man can put a stop to this. Only unity could help postpone the apocalypse. You can't argue me that. It's me, T, reporting live from hell, the same one you live in.